Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Cooey Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Today we're doing a little landscaping. What do I mean by that? Well, let me just show you this little retaining wall we're building here. My father-in-law is doing the skim coating now. We put the blocks the other day right here. If you watched the previous videos, there was nothing here. It was just, the dirt, and it's a lot higher. And when it was raining, the dirt was washing down and it was getting into the tracks of the door here. See that door? See how nice and clean I have it now? It kept getting a lot of dirt, topsoil, and some rocks from the yard. So the door wouldn't open. So that's why we built this little retaining wall here. It is bright and early Saturday. Today's a big day. It's going to be Albert's birthday. So we're going to be having a party with Albert, Dave, my in-laws, and I think even Jeremiah is going to show up. So we're going to be doing some singing, karaoke, playing some poker for fun. We don't gamble, but just for fun. Also, we're going to be doing this. I'm going to put an end cap on this to keep the gravel from coming out. And then I'm going to put a drain. I don't have any large pipe, so I'm going to be putting 3 3/4 inch pipes on this bottom corner here. And then we're just going to pour concrete on this section here. I just want to close this off and keep all the water from building up back in there. And then this wall will be open. We're in the process of growing grass. What is that? Is that Bermuda? Albert has it at his house and it is gorgeous. It scatters out and it grows really thick. You can see we have it closed off here to keep the dogs out. Just want to keep Wiener and Snowball from peeing in that section. Check down here. See the chickens. If you've seen the last couple videos, I had 5 chicks in 3 days. So keeping her closed off because the babies are coming out, and the pig pen was kind of like attacking her babies. So I'm just keeping them separated for now. Got pig pen and foghorn down here in the bottom. They've been sleeping down here. Got some cleanup going on. Got my mother-in-law and sister-in-law up here helping out. Just getting everything clean for this party today. Want everything to look nice. But yeah, slowly coming along. You can see the grass is filling in nicely. Also, when Jeremiah comes over, he's going to give me he's going to work up a quote. I want to get this front closed off. It's not common in the Philippines to have a lanai. That's what we'd call it in the U.S. A lanai. It's just not common here either because people don't have the money to do it, or it's an unnecessary waste of money. But for us Americans, I don't like mosquitoes. And my wife and I want to be able to sit out at night and sit on the front porch and drink hot chocolate or have a beer and look out over. And yeah, so we're going to get this closed off. Actually, here's a picture of what it's going to look like. I worked that up on AI and I sent it to Jeremiah and I said, hey, can you do this? He said, yeah, I can do that. So we're going to get that closed off. So stay tuned for that. All right. I'm going to get that dug out. I got to get the forms laid for that bottom section. help my father-in-law mix up some concrete. I need to sift some more sand. We got the sand sifter somewhere here. And you know, the sand, when you get it, it's full of gravel and river stones. And you can see here, oh, here's the sifter here. All this crap comes out of the sand. So when you're doing that skim coating, you want a really nice, fine finish. So you sift your own sand. You know, in the US, you just buy it sifted, but here you got to sift it yourself. So get that sifted so he can finish the skim coating around there, and then we'll make a batch of cement, concrete, and do that one little section of wall over there. All right, guys. Stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So stay tuned for that. Man, I'm sweating. All right, guys, we just wrapped up. So let me show you the final product. Well, it's not actually final until it's painted and whatever. But so we went ahead and poured this end cap. And I decided to actually go with the 3-inch drain. So I will get a couple bags of gravel. Once this is all dry, take the forms off, and I'll fill this with gravel so that it can filter. I mean, there's not that much water that comes out of this spot. Most of it absorbs into the ground. But just, I don't want it pulling up down here in the corner. So I did put that 3-inch drain in there. You can see it comes out on that side, just in case, but I'll clean that out. Once that's all dry, get that dirt out of there and make sure that it's a good 6 inches of gravel in there around that drain. So that'll be nice. And then this is the retaining wall that we did. I'll probably do a final skim coat on it and then paint it, or I'll probably just paint it. It's not a big deal. It's just a little retaining wall, and then I'll fill this part with gravel also. I'll dig this out a little bit, fill that with gravel, so that, because that's my other drain there. Yeah, it's coming along, guys. I tell you. It's only been 6 months since we moved in, since the house was finished. 6 months, a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of money going into landscaping. But yeah, it's coming along, guys. What do you think? I gotta tell you about a funny comment. You know, I get comments. I read every single comment. I reply to every single comment. Once in a while, you just get some crazy off the wall. So this guy says, why would you build a wall around your house in the province? You don't need a wall around your house in the province. It makes your house look ugly, and it's not fair to the neighbors because they can't see into your property because you have a wall. Like, what the hell? Obviously, the guy was Filipino. He doesn't like walls. Well, I mean, I think the wall adds to the aesthetics of the property. Plus, if you live in the province and you do not have a wall, you will have every single neighbor's goats, cows, dogs, cats, chickens on your property. You have to have a wall when living in the province. Plus, I mean, it's security also. I mean, not that there's really any crime out here in the province, but mainly it's for the animals. You just don't want all these animals on your property. So let me know what you guys think in the comment. Wall or no wall? I mean, I have a wall. It ain't coming down. But all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Man, I am soaking wet. Look at that. All right, guys, until next time, peace.